Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you how to do forecasting work through Power BI. Now let's begin. So already I imported one table. Now I am going to create one chart. So I had taken line bar graph. Now I am going to select data date and sales. So this is my chart, sales by year. Now I am going to add in this chart forecasting. So for that what we require, first we have to come on date column and then change it as a date. So day by data came. Now after this we have to come on analysis tab, click here and then come to down and you can see here forecast. So click on here and then click on add button. Now see, we added forecasting, but then here we require to change in which basis we require for the forecasting. So just select one month, change here 12, 12 and then apply. Now see, we got sales and forecasting data. Now what we another things we require, we have to change the color. So now you can see here in blue color sales data and orange color showing forecasting data. So you can see all data from last 12 months. So that's all for today video. Catch you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.